So welcome to this channel again. All right, so today we are going to be discussing about uh real estate listing platform. So a multi-listing platform system that you can use for your real estate project. So if you have a real estate company and you're looking to build a project on your real estate company that can list products, property based on the available properties that you have, based on your country, based on your region, or if you want to make it a globally project and stuff like that, you want to sell property, you want to allow people to come onto your property, you want people to come onto your platform to sell property, so many other stuff like that. If you're looking to build something like this is the right script for you to do that. And also there's also fantastic part of this project whereby you can sell services to your agents, because any agent can come to your platform and register on your platform. And at the same time, once this agents register on your platform, you can decide how they use your platform. All right, so as you can see, every agent can decide. You can put your subscription based on how you want your agent to use the platform. You can allow them to only submit 5 property on the platform if they are going for the free version, which is going to be for 30 days. And also you can set this to be forever if you want it to be like that. And if you want it to be 10 days, 7 days free trial, you can do that. And then you can activate each options you can allow these particular users to have access to on your platform. If you want to sell basic plan for them, it is going to be around $9, $10, $5, based on what you think is suitable for your country or for your community or for your project you want to do. Then you can, okay, let's say for free you're doing 5, then for your pro you're doing like 10 or 20 or 30, like that. And maybe the one that is going to be pro version, you can give them like 50 or unlimited submission, anything that you want this platform to do for you. This is the way you can sell this as a service to your agent. So any agent that comes onto the platform can use your platform to sell their property, and then you're selling subscription packages for them to use your platform to sell property. And at the same time, as the owner of the platform, you can also list your own property as well on the platform. As you can see, there's a property section where you can see all of the property, right? All of the property available on the platform. As you can see, as all the property available on the platform. As you can see, then we have a lot of property, and then you can navigate page on pagination to see a lot of them, and you can view the details of each property. And viewing the details of each property, you can see the images of the property, how the property looks like. All right, so how the property looks like, as you can see, it's coming up. You can see this project is actually interesting. Right, so this is another picture for the property as well. All right, so as you can see, this is for sale and this is in urgent mode, and this is the location for the project, for that property in United States. And also it's going for $300. Although this is for demo, you can put the correct price for this based on what you want. So it has 15 beds, 30 bedrooms, 400 square meters the size. As you can see, the future, the system people have viewed this, people can add review, they can check out, they can send you a message about this property so that you can receive a message. They can also send you an email, and also you can see the details and features of this property. They can also see the description of the property, and also you can also see the amenities that is available in that property, such as the elevator in the building, cable TV, balcony, air condition, reservation, all of and other stuff that is related to this property can be listed and can be seen right here. As you can see, it's a very huge project for you, because this is really great. And also this is the map for where the project is actually situated. So your user can write a review for you, and then you can submit, you can approve them, you can do all of these things from your admin backend, where you can control all of the services. All right, so you can have top properties and urgent properties. Then you can have the list of your agent that is currently on the platform, that are using your platform, like that. And this way, this is how you can actually set up your MLS real estate listing project, right? This is really fantastic. This is really huge. If you this is really huge. All right, so on how to, so the installation and how you can get this project done is going to be displayed right now, so that I will walk you through how you can install this, and also how you can activate this on your server. All right, so right now let us go deep. Let us dive deep into the admin end. Let's see what we have on the admin end. All right, so I will just copy my URL right now. Okay, so I'm gonna copy my URL right now. So I will just do this. Then I will go to admin slash login. So it's going to be here. Sorry, that's very crazy. All right. All right. So I will just input admin login. All right. So I think I'm already logged in before. All right. So I will just log out from this and then I will just input the admin details, admin@gmail.com, and input the password 1234. All right, so as an admin, I'm logged in successfully. All right, so right now, as you can come to the real estate, you can see your agent properties, all of the agent that is already on your property, that's already using your platform, that subscribe, and all those that are using free version, those that are using, yeah, you understand, and you can edit each agent, right? So as you can see, you can edit each agent, as you can see, you can delete each agent, and at the same time you can view these agents, right? So this particular agent can be viewed. As you can see, this is the agent right now, and you can view that agent. All right, so you can deactivate this agent if you don't want this agent to be on your platform again, and also you can also delete this agent if you don't want this agent to be on your platform anymore. So you can active, deactive. You don't delete them, you can put them in active, send them a message, rectify their issues, and then once they have done the needful, then you activate them back. So this is very fantastic. All right, so your own property as an admin, you can see them. You can see, you can create your own property. All right, so right now you create your title, property name, you can create this log, put your property type, and then the property type you can set them right here. If you open another tab right here, as you can see, you can select the property type that you want to be listed on your platform, and which is going to come on the category section of your platform. All right, this is what I'm talking about. So let's say I go to the property, and on this property I want to search, a user want to search for a property based on search functionality that you have. So if they click on property right here, you see all of this one that I have right here. This is where they're gonna come, and this is the place where you can set them. So you can create the property, you can create them, and then type, you can put the type you want, you can put this log, you can put make it active or inactive. Is anyhow you want to do it, you can just create any type that you want. You can also delete the one you want, and also like that. You can see you have houses and garden, you have hotel and resort. You can edit if you don't like this name, and also like that. And also you have nearest location, you have properties. So property purpose as well is available. So we have a purpose. Okay, what type of purpose do you want this property to be? Is it for sale or for rent? All right, so you have two options, right? Is either you make it for sale or for rent, right? So this is where you set your package. You understand? So you sell your package or subscription to the user. This is where you create your package. Then you had premium is going to be free. If it is going to be premium, you're gonna select it, select the package name, price, select number of days, amenities, how much you want these people to have access to your platform. This way you can control it. Based on this is what you can do to make sure that if you want everything to be unlimited, you can just use -1 right here to put as unlimited so that they can have access to it forever and ever. All right, so all of the agents right here, you can see all of your agents that's currently available on the platform. Like I said, you can edit, you can delete them, and also do a lot of stuff on it like that. All right, so you can see your pending orders, all of the orders that are coming in for people that make requests. You can see them right there, and you can view them and stuff like that. All right, so this is the most important aspect of the project, and you can set them, you can set everything the way you want. So as an agent that subscribe on your platform for free, can register on your platform for free, upload property, you can see the agent property. Your own property, you can create your own property. So which means you can also use it as only property listing platform for your own company, and you don't need to sell your service. If that is the way you want it, fine, you can use it that way. But if you also want to earn extra income by allowing other agents to come and use your platform to sell their property, then you can also incorporate this feature. You can make it free for them, you can sell it as a service to them. It is really wonderful. And then the payment gateway, you come to the setup. As you can see, you have payment account. Just click on payment account, and you have PayPal activation, you have Stripe, you have Razorpay, you have Flutterwave, you have Paystack, and you have Molly, you have Instamojo, and you have PayMongo. You also have a bank transfer that you can input on the platform if you want your customers to transfer directly to your bank account. Set it up, activate it, then date it. All right. So every other thing you can just look through that yourself once you install it, because it's very pretty cool and easy for you to configure and all like that. You can edit almost everything on the page. As you can see, you can do your SEO setup right here. You can do your settings, general settings, edit names and all like that. You see, upload your logo, change the logo and all stuff like that. All right, so this is pretty much everything about this project. As you can see, it's a really huge one and it's really fantastic. We are going to be installing the multiple listing real estate platform project, right? So I assume that you already have your hosting and domain available. So navigate to your cPanel and follow me on how I install and configure this script to work on your server. All right, so the first thing you need to do, right, is to go to File Manager. And all right, when you go to File Manager, if you just purchase a new domain, you are going to be installing this on the public.html folder. But right now, I have a project on my public.html folder, so I will not be installing anything right here. All right, so right now, what I will be doing right now for now is I will navigate to a subdomain where I want to install this project. All right, so you're going to do the same thing. If you are on public._html, if it is some new project that if it is new domain and hosting that you just purchased, all you need to do is go to that public_html and upload your file. So right now, yeah, I will just create a new folder. So follow me while I do this. So I will create a new folder called real estate. All right, so I want to install my script inside this folder called real estate. All right, so I will navigate to that folder real estate, and then all I will do is click on upload, and then I will upload the real estate script that I have at the moment, or the real estate project that I have at the moment. So I will just install the real estate script. So once I install the real estate script, so it will just load. All right. So this is the zip file that I just installed right now, and after it has completed the installation, all you need to do is just extract this zip file inside your real estate folder that you just created. Then extract the file, and once you extract the file, is gonna take a few moments. Then the file extracted is going to come on, and also once you do that, you need to go back to your cPanel and go to MySQL. All right, so go to MySQL database. So under this MySQL database is where you're going to create your estate database. So I will create estate database. I will create this database as estate. Then I will also make sure you create a user. So, and I'll also create a user called estate user. So estate user. All right. So I will generate a password right here. Then this password I will generate, I will make sure that I save this password. All right. So I will generate this password. Then I will just pick you can pick any of the password that you want. All right. So just looking for, so just copy any of this password. All right, so just copy this password, save it somewhere. So I have copied this password and I'm going to use this password. Then I'll create the user. So if I were you, I would just create a notepad and save the password somewhere. But right now I will just put it here, right? Because just for a short moment that I need it. All right, so I will create the user. All right, then remember this is the user name for the MySQL user. And then the next thing we need to do now is to connect the user to the database. All right, so let's go to the user that we just created. We create Femsify estate user. Then we need to look at estate. So this is the database estate, and this is the user estate user. Add the user to the database like that. Then accept all the privileges. Copy these two again. Go to this URL right here. paste them right there. But the reason why I am doing this is because I'm currently used to this. The best way is for you to just go to this and type notepad. And once you do that notepad, you can just copy this right into your notepad. All right. So that way it's going to be more safer. You just do this right here. So you know that this is a database user. All right. So this is a database name and this is a password. All right. So it's good to do it this way. All right. So the next thing that I'm gonna do right now is I will just select and make changes. All right. So once I make changes, I can now go to my cPanel, go back to my cPanel and come to my PHP my admin. When I come to my PHP my admin, right now I will now navigate to where the database is, which is Simplify Estate. All right. All right, so I will navigate to Filmify Estate, right? Then I will import. This is the database name. Then remember the SQL file inside your script. Just click on this SQL file and then upload the SQL file right here. And then all you need to do is import. All right, so after you're done with your import, then you can see all of your import is now done successfully. All right, so now remember the domain name, the URL that you uploaded the project on the other time. I put it on real estate because I created a folder of real estate under this my subdomain, and I will access that script right here. So once I hit on this, so I'm having this error, so I'm having this SQL error, right? Access denied for blah blah blah, which means I need to connect my username and password correctly so that this thing can work effectively. So I will just go back to my file manager, go to my file manager, then navigate to my real estate. All right, so once we get there, just navigate to your .env file, then hit on edit and make sure you navigate to env, know where your env file is. Now this, your database name, you have to make sure that your database that you created, which is this database, input the database right here, save. Then also the database user, which is this, copy this username, put it right here, and also do the same thing for the password you just created. Copy this and then input the password right here. All right, so you make sure you save this, and once you save, just refresh your browser and then the website will come live. All right, so then this is your real estate project. Now everything is now live. So if you want to access the admin dashboard for this project, you can just copy this URL, then open new tab, then paste it right here, then type admin/login, right? So right, then you can come to the admin dashboard. All right, so let me just come on log out so that you have to input the admin login details before you can actually log in right here. So all right, so you can use admin@gmail.com, then your password 1234, then login. All right, so this is the password for the admin, and you can make all of the changes to this um, dashboard right here. All right, so right now what you need to do next is go to you can change the settings of your platform. Go to settings, can change the name of your platform, input the logo for your project, change the name for your project, and so on like that. Let's say, for example, this is Perfect Estate. So right now you can change this to Pro Estate, change this to this address card. Now these two will change right here, and then it will also change at the front end. So once you upload this, once you upload that, update that, you see Pro Estate, the name has been changed successfully. All right, so this is how you can change so many settings about your platform. You understand? You can change your email if that is how you want it to be. You can change it to the email of your website, and every other things can be customized based on how you want to set it. All right, so this is the admin section where you can create an admin for yourself. You can edit an admin, create new admin, and also just click on create, and then you'll be able to create new admin. Then you can use the admin login to to log into your admin dashboard. Then you can also create your staff. So right now, if you want to create a staff, you can create a staff and assign them a position so that all these your staff can have access to this platform based on how you want your staff to access the platform. As you can see, this is a staff, and then you can allow this staff to log in to your admin dashboard apart from being an admin. All right, so there are a lot of you see on the admin dashboard there are a lot of things that you can see right here. Uh, as you can see, the admin dashboard has okay. If you're interested in this project, you're interested in the script, you can check my description below and reach out to me to have access to this. Thank you very much for your time. See you.